divisibility test for number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Now the question arises that what is the need for this divisibility test? Okay, now let us take a big number like 2, 3, 5, 7, 9. Okay, and you have been asked that it is either divisible by 2 or divisible by 3 or divisible by 4 or 5 or 6, like that up to 11. Then what will you do? You have to divide that number by the given divisor. But in this process, by saying the number only, we can tell that that number is divisible by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 or 11. Is it divisible by these numbers or not? By seeing the number, we can tell that. If we know and understand properly the divisibility test for these numbers. So let us see test of divisibility by 2. Means by seeing the number, we have to tell that the number is divisible by 2 or not. How? Now see, a number is divisible by 2 if its ones digit, means the digit which is in ones place, is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. Means if any big number or any number ends with any of these digits, means either 0 or 2 or 4 or 6 or 8, then the whole number, the total number is divisible by 2. Let us see two examples. The first one is each of the number, that is 30, 52, 84, 136, 2108 is divisible by 2. Why? Because they are the unit place or the digit at one's place is 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. But in other example 2, none of the number, that is 71, 83, 215, 467, 62, 9 is divisible by 2. Why? Because see the digit at one's place, they are not from the required digits, that is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. Okay. Now coming to the test of divisibility 3, means by saying the number we have to tell that it is divisible by 3 or not. What is the process? Let's see. A number is divisible by 3 if the sum of its digits is divisible by 3. Let's understand it by an example. Consider the number 64275. Then the sum of the digit, means sum of 64275 is 24, and 24 is the number which is divisible by 3. Means the sum of the digits is divisible by 3. Therefore the whole number, that is 64275, is also divisible by 3. Now in example 2, consider number 39583. What is the sum of the digits? We are getting 28, but we know that 28 is not divisible by 3. Therefore the whole number, that is 39583, is not divisible by 3. Now coming to divisibility test by 4, how can we tell that if a number is divisible by 4 or not? By seeing the number only. The rule is a number is divisible by 4 if the number formed by its digits in the tens and ones place, means the last two digit, the tens place digit and the one place digit, is divisible by 4. If the last two digit is divisible by 4, then the whole number is divisible by 4. Consider the number 96852. Here the last two digit, means the tens place and the ones place, is 52, which is divisible by 4. Therefore the whole number, that is 96852, is also divisible by 4. Now in other example, consider the number 61394. The last two digit, that is the tens place and the ones place, I am getting a 94, and by dividing 94 by 4, we are getting that 94 is not divisible by 4. Therefore 61394 is also not divisible by 4. Coming to test of divisibility by 5, the rule is a number is divisible by 5 if its ones digit is 0 or 5. Means the last digit is either 0 or 5, then the whole number will be divisible by 5. Here in example 1, 65, 195, 230, 310, all the numbers and here the given numbers have either 0 or 5 in its unit place or ones place. So these numbers are also divisible by 5. But none of the number of 71, 83, 94, 106, 327, etc., etc. is divisible by 5. Why? Because their last digit or the unit digit or the ones place digit is neither 5 nor 0. Understand? Now come to test of divisibility by 6. For test of divisibility 6, let us see the definition first. A number is divisible by 6 if it is divisible by each of 2 and 3. Note that 2 and 3 are prime factors of 6. Now see. Let us take an example of the number 18. 18 is divisible by 2. Why? Because the rule of 2 is the last digit must be either 0 or 2 or 4 or 6 or 8. So here 8 comes. So it is divisible by 2. And 18, the sum of the digit 1 plus 8 is 9. This number is also divisible by 3, because the rule of 3 is we have to do the sum of the digit, and if the sum of the digit is divisible by 3, then the whole number is divisible by 3. Means 18 is such a number which is divisible by both 2 and 3. As a result, it will be divisible by 6 also. This condition applies for 42, 60, 114, 1356, etc. Okay, and the other number like 21, 25, 34, 52 is not divisible by 6. Why? Because they are either divisible by 2 or divisible by 3 or divisible by none of them. Okay, so the basic rule of 6 is the number should be divisible by both 2 and 3. Then only the given number will be divisible by 6. Now come to test of divisibility by 7. A number is divisible by 7 if the difference between twice the ones digit and the number formed by the other digit is either 0 or a multiple of 7. Now take an example. Here I am taking the number 6804. So the number in the ones place is 4. So make multiply it with 2, because in the rules only they have told that twice the ones digit. So 4 into 2 is 8. And other number is 680. If I subtract 8 from 680, I am getting 672. And 672, if we will divide it with 7, then 672 is divisible by 7. Therefore, the whole number, that is 6804, is also divisible by 7. In example 2, consider a number that is 137. Just do a multiple of 7. Multiply the last digit, that is ones digit, with 2. That is 7 to 14. So here I am getting that 14 is greater than 13. So if I am subtracting 2 into 7, if I am subtracting 13 from 2 into 7, that is 14, I am getting 1, which is not divisible by 7. Therefore 137 is not divisible by 7. Okay? See the example 3 also. Now come to test of divisibility by 8. What is the rule of 8? The rule of 8 is quite similar like 4. In 4, we have to check the last 2 digits. If the last 2 digits are divisible by 4, then the whole number is divisible by 4. But in the case of 8, we have to check the last 3 digits. Means 100 place, 10s place and 1s place. If the last 3 digit is divisible by 8, then the whole number is divisible by 8. Now let's see. A number is divisible by 8 if the number formed by its digits in 100, 10s and 1s place is divisible by 8. Understand? Now consider the number 79152. The last 3 digits are 152. If I will divide 152, if I will try to divide 152 by 8, I will see that it is clearly divisible by 8. Therefore 79152 is divisible by 8. And if the last 3 digits, that is in the second example 348, if I will try to divide that last 3 digits, it is not divisible by 8. Therefore the whole number 57348 is not divisible by 8. Now come to divisibility, test of divisibility by 9. 9 is, the rule of 9 is quite similar like 3. In the rule of 3, you know that we have to make the sum of the digit, and if the sum is divisible by 3, then the whole number is divisible by 3. In the rule of 9, it is similar to that of 3, means we have to do the sum of the digits, and if the sum is divisible by the 9, then the whole number is divisible by 9. Now let's see. A number is divisible by 9 if the sum of its digit is divisible by 9. Consider the number 65403. So sum of the digit is 6 plus 5 plus 4 plus 0 plus 3, which is 18, and we know that 18 is divisible by 9. Therefore the whole number, that is 65403, is divisible by 9. In the second example, consider the number 81326. Sum of the digit is 8 plus 1 plus 3 plus 2 plus 6, that is 20, which is not divisible by 9. Therefore, the whole number, that is 81326, is not divisible by 9. Test of divisibility by 10. It is quite similar like 5. In the 5, we have to check the ones place digit. If the ones place digit is 0 or 5, then it is divisible by 5. But in the test of divisibility of 10, if the ones place is only 0, if the ones place or the unit place, the last digit is having 0, then the number is divisible by 10. Let's see, a number is divisible by 10 if its one digit is 0. Like this example, 30, 160, 690, 720, all these numbers are having 0 in its unit place or ones place, so they are divisible by 10. But in example 2, 21, 32, 63, 84 is not divisible by 10 because their ones place digit is not 0. Now come to test of divisibility by 11. Okay, understand it properly. A number is divisible by 11 if the difference, means subtraction, of the sum of its digit in odd places and the sum of the digit in its even places starting from the ones place is either 0 or a multiple of 11. Now see, with example I will try to make you understand. Consider the numbers 90728. Now as you can see, 8 is in ones place, 2 in tens place, 7 in 100 place, 0 in 1000 place, and 9 in 1000 place. But if I will go like, I will put a number 1 upon 8, on 2 I will give a number 2, on 7 I will put the number 3, on 0 I will put a number 4, on 9 I will put a number 5. Means I have given them the marking 1 to 5 from extreme right. Now see which are the odd place digits, means 1, 3, 5 place digit, that is 8, 7 and 9. So first sum the odd place digits, that is 8 plus 7 plus 9 is equal to 24. Now sum of its digits in even place. Which are the even place? That is 2, 4 in the following number, means 2 plus 0. 2 plus 0 is 2. Now simply subtract the sum of the digits in odd place from the sum of the digit in the even place, because odd place, sum of the odd place digit is greater here. So after subtracting 2 from 24, I am getting the answer 22, which is clearly divisible by 11. Therefore the whole number 90728 is divisible by 11. What we have to do? We have to do the sum of the digit in the odd place, then we have to do the sum of the digit in the even place, then we have to subtract which sum is greater, either the odd place or the even place. Subtract the digits sum. If after subtraction, if the result comes either 0 or multiple of 11, then the number is divisible by 11. Let us see the second example. Consider the number 863423. In the same pattern, sum of its digit in odd places is 3 plus 4 plus 6. If I will add, that is 13. And sum of the digit in the even place is 2 plus 3 plus 8, which is equal to 13. So difference of this sums is 13 minus 13, which is equal to 0. Therefore 863423 is divisible by 11. Because if the difference comes either 0 or a multiple of 11, then it is divisible by 11. In the last case, in the last example, example 3, consider the number 76844. Here the sum of its digit in odd places 487, that is 19, and sum of the digits in the even places 4 plus 6, that is 10. So difference of these sums is 19 minus 8, that is 9. So according to the rule, it must be 0 or multiple 11 if it is divisible by 11. But here 9 is neither 0 nor a multiple 11. So 9 is not divisible by 11. Therefore the number 76844 is also not divisible by 11.
For any query, comment in WhatsApp or WhatsApp at 98305332220. Thank you.